Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Heidelberg University as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Heidelberg University. That is Heidelberg Uni ID, activation, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link and then tap on web form. Activate your Uni ID. Here you must enter your Uni ID along with your activation code, hit further, and then follow the on-screen instructions to activate your account. After you have activated your account, we're going to be heading over to the search bar one more time and then typing in HEICO, login, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link, and then tap on login at the top right of your screen. After the page loads, you'll have to enter your login username along with your password that you just activated, and then hit login to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.